This is Rabia. Welcome to my YouTube channel Chalo Parho with Rabia. I am again in front of you with an amazing hands-on activity related to nomograph. Indeed, a calculating device, as we have done addition of integers in part 1. Now in part 2, we are gonna perform subtraction of integers with the help of nomograph. So let's start our activity, where we are going to subtract integers. How will we perform this activity on this nomograph? You have already seen that there are 3 scales. Scale number 1, scale number 2 and scale number 3. This scale is called sum and these 2 scales are called addend. But here we are going to perform subtraction, so we will do some alteration in this 3rd scale. You have already seen that these are positive numbers and these are negative numbers. Actually, we will change the positive by negative and negative by positive, like this. That is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. And that would be +1, +2, +3 and +4, +5. Now I am going to start my activity and I am going to subtract -1 from -2 and operation is subtraction. So this is -2 on scale number 1. We will take -2 here and this is -1. We will take -1. Now I will join these 2 numbers by a line, a straight line, and wherever it will cut line, that would be your answer. So that is -1. So -1 would be your answer. Now we will solve question number 2. This is -3 and +4. We are going to subtract +4 from -3 and there is a sign of subtraction in between them. So this is -3. Where would we take -3? This is -3 and +4. Where it is +4? This is +4. So I will join these 2 numbers and it will intersect the middle line at -7. So your answer would be -7. And now question number 3, 4 minus -3. So here I will take 4. This is 4 and we are going to subtract -3 from it. So -3 is here. I will make a line to show the answer. That is, answer is 7. So I will write here 7. Now this is 2 minus -3. Operation is subtraction. So 2 would be, first I will rub it. 2 is here and -3. Where it is, -3 is here. I will join these 2 points and wherever it will intersect the middle line, that would be your answer. So 5 would be your answer. Got it? Now again I am taking the next question. 1 minus -1. Subtraction is going on. I will take 1 over here and -1. Where it is -1 is here. So our answer would be, let's see what would be our answer. This is +2. Now this is -4 minus -2. Over here, this is here, -4 and -2. Where it is, this is here, -2. I will join these 2 points to get our answer and our answer is -2. That's it.